Cheerios.com, and without all of these, they are so awesome. And its phone number is 818-882-870.
Tell them about the boards.
And the boards, it took a really long time for us to make them, but we got them.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is this one. It's kind of like a soft sign.
Yeah? What's your second favorite?
I like this one just because it's really straight.
It's with striped?
No, straight.
Straight. What about this one with the blue in the middle? Do you like the blue in the middle?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
my first favorite just because of the blue.
Now, what's it finished with?
Beeswax.
Is that why it smells like honey?
Mm-hmm.
How about these? Do you like these ones with the natural?
Huh? Now bye-bye.
What about this?
It's nice. I was doing my own